Are you a taxpayer feeling the pressure of rising costs? Great news could be on the horizon. The upcoming budget may raise the annual tax-free income limit for individual taxpayers. Currently, this limit stands at 3.5 lakh BDT. Experts suggest it could increase by 25,000 to 50,000 BDT. This means you might see your tax-free threshold rise to between 3.75 lakh and 4 lakh BDT. Why is this happening? High inflation has hit regular taxpayers hard. The National Revenue Board, NBR, has acknowledged the need for relief amidst these tough economic times. On June 2nd, the interim government will present its first budget. Under the guidance of financial advisor Salehuddin Ahmed, this budget aims to ease the burden on citizens. In addition to changing the tax-free limit, there may be a reassessment of tax rates. Currently, a 5% tax applies to income above the tax-free limit, but extensions may be proposed. Tax rates of 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%, and 25% could remain unchanged. An NBR official stated that low-income taxpayers have struggled under persistent inflation for over a year. There's ongoing discussion to boost the tax-free income limit. Remember, the last two budgets didn't change this exemption limit. The most recent increase was to 3.5 lakh BDT in the 2023 to 2024 fiscal year. Since then, inflation has surged, but surprisingly, the exemption limit hasn't followed suit. The food inflation rate has been particularly alarming, with exceeding 10% for 10 straight months from March 2024 to January 2025. July saw food inflation peak at 14.1%, the highest in 13 years. According to the Bangladesh Bureau of Statistics, BBS, the average food inflation from April 2024 to March this year has reached 10.44%. Stay informed on how these potential changes could affect your finances. Join the conversation and let your voice be heard in support of a fair budget.